Previously, I talked about some sorts of controlling this mini drone with SDR in campaign video. After some research, I have finally found some solution. I noticed that both hackrf and nif24L01 can send and receive Bluetooth low energy data. So I used the BTLE project from Jiao Xianjun to send BTLE data through hackrf. Then I just add some joystick driver code to it for the controlling. For the receiver, I find the other project from Flowy, which by coincidence is also called BTLE. It receives BTLE data from NIF24L01 and I combine it with cheapest receiver. Let's first look into the transmitter. This is the BTLE project from Jiao Xianjun, which uses software-defined radio as Bluetooth low energy stack. I mainly use the part of BTLE TX. This is my transmitting side, that is simplified version of BTLE TX. In the end, there is this joystick driver part. Let's then look into the receiver. This is the BTLE project from Flowy, which uses NRF24L01 to achieve basic Bluetooth low energy. This is my receiving side. I added some filtering to decode the data from my ID only. And the last piece of the code is from cheapest receiver to generate PPM signal. I'm going to control this NRF module and Arduino Uno by this hackrf. The serial terminal is receiving printout data from the Arduino board. Let's see its content. Now the hackrf isn't sending anything, so the data is just some random Bluetooth data. Now I start to send my command. Once hackrf is sending the data, as you can see, the screen shows it's sending at 2.4 gigahertz, and the serial window, sometimes it will show the command from me. If I stop the auto scroll, you will see the data 7F, 7F, 07F, which is the same as 127, 127, 0, and 127. So I successfully send data from hackrf to NRF and Arduino. Then I connected the PPM output from Arduino to this ymfc mini drone, and I'm trying to control the drone with this joystick that is connected on the computer. If the throttle goes up, you'll see the motor spins faster. Throttle goes down. Let's change its pitch and roll. Okay, let's stop the motor. In order to make the ymfc mini drone really flying, I need a lighter and a more compact board. Then I find this RF Nano board. It is basically composed of Arduino Uno and NIF24L01. So in theory it should make my mini drone work. This is how I connect them. I soldered the power pin, the ground and the PPM output to the mini drone receiver. Let's see how it works. It doesn't really follow my command after I start up, which is strange. And the blue LED is always shining, indicating a problem. I'm still trying to figure out what's wrong with this RF Nano board. Maybe the power circuit is causing the problem. And also I think the oscillator for this NIF chip isn't precise enough because it doesn't decode Bluetooth packet every time it's powered up. Anyway, I will put a link of my GitHub repo in the description. You can try it out by yourself.